Hi everyone, my name is Rebecca So. I'm the founder of this group called Wearing is Caring, and our mission is to raise awareness. It's a mask designed by Dr. Kwong from Hong Kong. He specifically designed this to help with the shortage of masks with everybody all over the world. I just want to go over the benefits and special features of Hong Kong mask, why our group likes it, and why we promote it specifically. It's a Hong Kong mask. A local lady made this for me, so I love the design. And it has an opening for filters like this. And I'll show you how to wear it and how to insert the filters. And it's very important for you to actually put a filter in, because just the cotton mask by itself is, I think, 8 to 9% filtration efficiency. But with a filter, anything from like tissue paper, I'm talking about pocket tissue paper, which is 4-ply, and a paper towel can get you efficiency higher up. Problem is that it might be harder to breathe. So what Dr. Kwong suggests is always to get a balance between filtration efficiency and breathability, because if it's too thick, even though you're getting good filtration efficiency, if you can't breathe, what happens is that the air will just come out from around the mask. Properly wear your Hong Kong mask. I actually prefer to tie a knot on the bottom string, and then you just put it over your head, put your ear loops on, and then I prefer to fold this part down inside to cover any gap, and then tie this tight. See if any air is leaking, especially around here. If you put on a pair of glasses and you breathe, cone shaped so that it's more airtight. Filter is larger than the mask. It sticks out so that you know air comes through the filter instead of the gap around it. So I hope you find this video helpful. Share this with your friends and family. Promote our group, Wearing is Caring, because we believe the more people mask up, the faster this thing is going to go away. So thank you.